It's quite common that devotees will ask me, you've been a devotee a long time. Why are you still here? Why haven't you left? Like, so many devotees come and they go, and like, what's going on? And I'm going to answer that question, and I hope that it will be valuable for you. The rarity of what Prabhupada has given, the fact that it just came to America and I happened to be there, the value of what he's given, what it does, the potential of what he's given, how should I say that? The potential contained within Prabhupada's teachings, what it will produce, where it will take you, the condition of the world, how much it needs it. All these things, when I look at them, I think, how could I ever turn away from Prabhupada's service? My personal experience also, what would I do if I didn't have Prabhupada's service? How would I utilize my abilities, my desires? I like to teach. I like to do music. How would I do that? What would I do? What would I teach? What would I sing about? Why would I even do any of these things? Why would I even get out of bed if it wasn't for the service of Prabhupada? Where would I manifest my love? That's where I gave it. That's where I want to give it. When I put all these things together, I create an equation, and what's the word? I don't want to say the conclusion of the equation. It's been a long time since I've done math. The result of the equation is there's no question of doing anything else. Why would I waste my life doing anything else? The other thing which Prabhupada has done well is he's outlined Maya's plan. It's very clear from Prabhupada's books how Maya works. Very clear. 100% clear. And now, knowing her plan, am I going to be so stupid to give into it? No, I'm not. Prabhupada has drawn out, there's the GPS, how to get out of the material world. This is what's going to happen if you get off the road. This is how you're going to be allured off the road. Am I so stupid that I'm just going to allow myself to say, well, you know, maybe off the road is not so bad. Maybe he doesn't really understand me so well, and he doesn't know that I could go off the road and, you know, I'd be okay and I'd get back on the road. Am I so stupid to think that way? No. I mean, I can say I'm not the smartest person in the world, but at least smart enough to follow Prabhupada's instructions. And the last thing that I think has kept me going is Prabhupada said, this is a war. When you become a devotee, it means now you're declaring war on Maya. This is actually what we're doing. It's a fight. So you're going to just lay down and roll over when the fight gets difficult? Of course not. We don't want to lose this fight. There's too much at stake to lose this fight. Your whole spiritual life is at stake in this fight. And Maya is going to try, and she's never going to give up. And as soon as you give up, then that's it. You know, in a wrestling match, in a boxing match, in a sporting match, if anyone starts giving up, they're going to lose. And Maya's just pushing, trying to wear us down. But every day, Hare Krishna, we're getting our strength. So we should always understand there is some battle going on. There is some competition. And Maya wants to get us. And we need that determination internally to say, Maya, I'm not going to lose to you because Prabhupada has given me the battle plan. And I want to take that battle plan, which he has so kindly given me, and he wants me to win, and he's behind me, pushing me, rooting for me. Am I going to be so ungrateful that I'm just going to turn my back on Prabhupada and say, no? No. So maybe if I put it into one word, I would just say, I'm grateful for what Prabhupada has given. I'm grateful for the gift he has given, and I feel there's no better way to appreciate Prabhupada than to utilize what he's given us, and that makes him happy. What to speak of making ourselves happy. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.